and tonight we are going to talk about spinal degeneration. It is a heavy topic, but I'm going to try to make it a quick, easy to understand topic. So first of all, just so you know, most of the patients that we see here at the movement will have some degeneration in their spine. The question is it preventable? Is it just a normal part of aging? And let me just tell you that degeneration comes mostly when a joint is not moving. When a joint gets fixated and it's not moving properly, it does start degenerating. So the best way I can explain that would be, can you imagine if you had a cast on your elbow and you left it there for 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, and then you took that cast off? Can you imagine what that joint would look like and the function of that joint? It's going to be almost immobilized, if not fused. The muscles around it are going to be atrophied. And that's what you find in a scenario where a joint, when it loses function, starts degenerating. So if we go to the spine, those joints are a lot like elbow joints. They're supposed to move. And when they don't move, they get fixated because of trauma, muscular imbalance. They will start to lose their normal function, and the same process of degeneration will set in. Calcification will start fusing the segments. The height of the disc space will start to decrease. The muscles will atrophy, and it'll affect the blood and the nerves that are around that joint. Is it preventable? Absolutely. That's what chiropractors do. We look to assess the spine to make sure that each joint is moving properly and that we're able to then restore the normal function of that joint to keep it from degenerating. So without that, it can cause permanent fusion. And with that cause symptoms like pain, numbness, lack of motion. So my advice to you is get your spine checked, because you don't always feel right away when your spine is degenerating. Oftentimes it's months or years later that symptoms come on. And once you get it checked, and if it is out of alignment, get it fixed and keep it healthy. You guys have a great night.